Welcome to Miami. I'm sorry, I had to do it. Welcome to Circuit Studies, where we go through each F1 track race by race. Today's lesson, the Miami Grand Prix. So the Miami International Autodrome is actually a track that is set around the Hard Rock Stadium, making it a temporary circuit. Now, the first race held here was in 2022. It's got 57 laps. The lap length is 5.412 kilometers, 19 turns going anti-clockwise, and 3 DRS zones. And because of these DRS zones, the prime overtaking opportunities are at the end of the zone. So we've got turn 1, turn 11, and turn 17. Due to the track setting, this circuit is relatively flat, with the main elevation being at turns 14 to 15. So this chicane here is going uphill. And because there's a mixture of straights and turns, teams will typically opt for a medium to medium low downforce setup. And because of the number of DRS zones and the slipstream effect, we do see some pretty high top speeds here, being roughly around 350 kilometers per hour. And the speed trap is actually before turn 17. Pirelli have opted for the C3 as the hard tyre, the C4 as the medium, and the C5 as the soft. This is typically a one-stopper, and through the weekend, track evolution will be very, very high. As we mentioned, this is a temporary circuit, so as more rubber gets laid down through the weekend, lap times will improve. Another key factor for the tyres is the thermal degradation, especially as we are expecting some warmer weather. So we're expecting about 27 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius through the weekend. Friday and Saturday, a little bit warmer, but we might actually see a low to moderate chance of rain on Sunday. So the teams will need to keep an eye on their radars for that. And of course, it's a sprint weekend, so a different format. We've got FP1 and sprint qualifying on Friday, the sprint and the qualifying session on Saturday, and as always, the main race on Sunday. So there's your Miami Grand Prix Circuit Studies, all ready for the race. I'll see you for lights out.